Hello everyone, it's Georgia here and I'm back today at Shoes of Hollywood and I'm so excited to be reviewing some more shoes for you guys. So first up today we have the pin-up couture style heel. So I'll just take it out of the box to show you guys. They come in this really nice protective wrapping here, so to keep them nice and safe while being shipped. And this is what the shoe looks like. Isn't it just beautiful? I'll put it down here while I get the other one out for you guys and then I'll talk a bit more about it. So I'm just unwrapping the other one now. Now this is the Sacred Heart shoe. So as you can see, it's got these beautiful love hearts around it and also some roses. And they are just so gorgeous. They are a 5 3/4 inch heel, but because of the hidden platform, they actually feel a lot lower than what they actually are. So I'll just take the packaging out of them. And they have that beautiful red ribbon bow there. And as you can see, that nice sole in there. It's a beautiful red colour. As for the gripping, it has a bit of grip there, but it's nothing too crazy. So I'd be a bit careful when walking in the rain or anything like that. I'll just put them on my feet now to see how they feel and do a quick walk for you guys. Now, they went on super easy and they feel super comfortable. So I'm so excited to give them a walking test. Let me know in the comments if you guys like these shoes. I think they're really beautiful and I think they'd be perfect for a special occasion. Something like Valentine's Day, or an engagement party or anything like that. So that's what those ones look like. Such a beautiful shoe. I just love the pattern, it's perfect for any occasion really. Now I'll sit down so you guys can have a better view at these ones. So nice. Make sure you guys let me know if you guys like these ones. There we go. And since it is such a lovely, warm and sunny winter's day here in Queensland, I'm going to go for a walk outside so you guys can see what they look like in the sunlight. I'll give you guys a quick view before we go out. Now time to go outside. And just look at the way that they shine in the sun. Aren't they beautiful? So gorgeous. I'll do a quick walk for you guys now. Make sure if you guys are liking this video, you like and subscribe. Shoes of Hollywood on YouTube so that you can see more videos and reviews just like this one. So, I'll keep walking for you guys. And now I'll do a quick twirl so you guys can see what they look like in the sunlight. I'm just loving these heels. They are super comfortable to wear and they just look super perfect, especially with this outfit. I would love to wear this on a Valentine's Day date or anything like that. It looks super good together. I'll give you guys a quick twirl. Super comfortable. Now I'll go back inside now because it is super hot out here today, even though it is winter. They're just so nice to walk in because it is a hidden platform, so they feel a lot lower than what they really are. Now I'll do one last twirl in the sunlight here so you guys can see what they look like. That pattern is just shining. I love them. Just one last look of the outfit outside. I hope you guys like them. Now, I'm going to head back inside now so I can give you a final review. Okay, so it's that time where I have to take the shoes off, unfortunately, because I love these shoes. They are just so beautiful. And let me tell you guys, these are super comfortable to walk in. Like, because of the hidden platform, they feel like they're a lot lower than what they are, which is amazing. Especially if you're a beginner in heels, they will make you feel a lot more comfortable. So, I'll take them off now for you guys. And this is the Pin-Up Couture style heels. I really do love them. Make sure you guys check them out, and thank you so much for watching this review. Make sure you click the notifications button up in this corner so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you next time.